and negatively regulated. Based on the 2 points, the repressor protein binds with the operator region and stop the expression with a negative regulation. Presence of lactose avoids the repressor protein from binding to the operator region and induces the expression. So in that context, it is positively regulated. So you may get the question like question it is there. How long the lactopran will be operated? As long as lactose available and not glucose available. As long as glucose not available and presence of lactose, it will continue because organism requires continuously energy source. Otherwise, it won't be maintain its metabolic activity. What is the need of glucose? Glycolysis to produce the ATP molecules. So either glucose or lactose or any other molecule should be required to break down. Finally, it should be converted that molecule to the glucose. So when lactose is break down, glucose and galactose will become the beta galactosidase, which breaks the lactose and gives the glucose and galactose. So lactoferrin will function based on the availability of the lactose and absence of glucose. For example, both glucose and lactose are present in the medium. Whether lactoferrin is on or off? Off. It's off because glucose is available. Okay. For example, no glucose, no lactose. Off. Lactoferrin off or on? Off. Off. So in those two conditions, lactose is absent, glucose is present. Lactoferrin is off. Glucose and lactose both are available. At that time also lactoferrin won't be because glucose is the primary acceptor. No need of depending on the lactose. So based on that, Jacob and Monod explained the lack of regulation of gene expression in the E. coli based on the lack of concept in E. coli bacteria. So in case of eukaryotes, as examples are not there, only what are the conditions? Transcription may not be occurred. So transcriptional levels, regulation of gene expression. Processing may be upset or processing may be stopped. The primary transcript may not be entered to the cytoplasm or mature mRNA won't be entered to the cytoplasm. Translation will be stopped. So lack of RAM, at which level it will control? Transcriptional level. So in the absence of lactose, no transcription. In the presence of lactose, it will continue. So the regulation will be takes place at the transcription level in lactoferrin. There are other examples: TRP operon, histidine operon, valine operon. So for example, TRP operon is called as negative regulation. TRP operon is called negative regulation. Arabinose, tryptophan, histidine, valine. So amino acid synthesis is also the pathway. It depends on several enzymes, several steps. Each step under the control of enzyme. Those enzymes are under the control of their genes. So enzymes are the products of their genes. Based on the, for example, TRP operon. Whenever operon is there, it is only confined to the prokaryotes. Remember, operons are absent in the eukaryotes. What is the difference between operon and eukaryotic genes? There are several differences. One difference is every gene of eukaryote contains one single promoter. So no concept of operon. Operon means cluster of genes that contains a single promoter. The concept is important. What is operon model? Operon group of genes or cluster of genes under the control of one promoter. But in case of eukaryotes, every single gene contains one single promoter. Because their genome is large. Bacterial size, genome size is very less. Another difference, split genes. I told you, split gene. Introns and exons are present in case of eukaryotic genes. This synchronous exons concept is optional in prokaryotes. So, more than 2 or 3 genes under the control of one promoter, that is called as operon. If that genes are involved in the utilization of lactose, it is called lactoperon. If the genes are produces the products which involved in the TRP synthesis, tryptophan synthesis, that is called TRP operon. Like that. So in case of TRP operon, you have the one sentence in this book. Negatively regulation, example is TRP. So synthesis of tryptophan in the bacteria, for example, will be regulated. How it regulates? Presence of tryptophan stops the expression of TRP operon. So the end product. So the TRP operon involves for the synthesis of tryptophan. If tryptophan is abundantly present, sufficiently present in the bacteria, it need not to synthesize. No need of synthesis of tryptophan, it is sufficiently present. At that time the operon will be stopped. So presence of tryptophan stops the expression of its operon. In case of lactoperon, presence of lactose induces the operon. Reverse. Whatever the molecule present in the medium or in its environment, if it induces the gene expression, that is called alloregulation. The presence of compound stops the expression of its gene. Is negative. Understood? No? Concept is simple. What is TRP operon? It is not there in the textbook. But we will explain it. What is the purpose of TRP operon? The operon genes, the genes which are in the operon, produces enzymes which involved in the synthesis of tryptophan. Tryptophan synthesizing enzymes are produced from the tryptophan operon genes. So if already tryptophan is sufficiently present in the cell, no need of synthesis. Whenever tryptophan is available, that genes will not be expressed. Negative regulation, presence. Come to the lactoperon. If lactose is available, synthesis is expressed. Regulation is on. Products comes and lactose is utilized by the bacteria. That is the difference between TRP operon and lactoperon. So lactoperon will be induced if the presence of substrate is available. This is another statement. Essentially, it is lactoperon is produces the enzymes, and those enzymes are utilizes the inducer. The inducer which is induces the expression of structural genes and products. The formed enzymes use this inducer as the substrate. This is another statement. Okay, stop.